Welcome to the Library of Rock. My name is Josh Lake, and I'm the Media Studio Supervisor at the Halifax Central Library. Today's episode is called Tighten Your Jacks. I've seen this a lot on guitars over the years, is when your jacks get loose. You can hear that. When you plug in your guitar, it can get loose over time. You can get away with this for a little while, but it'll start twisting and breaking your wires inside, and it can cost hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to repair. Same is true for pedals. You can see there are a lot of wires in there. Also, there's grounding and all kinds of things going on. And again, if you've got loose jacks and loose nuts all over your pedals, you can wreak havoc inside your pedals and cause them not to work. Again, lots of repair bills. As a part of your regular maintenance, as you go through your equipment, just make sure you're tightening up all your jacks. It can save you a lot of headaches and prevent a lot of damage. Thanks for watching Library of Rock. My name is Josh Lake, and remember, tighten your jacks.